So ngayong araw ang Portland Trail Blazers naman ang ating gagawa ng preview. Ito ang kanilang official lineup para sa 2026 to 2027 season. Maraming pagbabago sa team na to, pati ang kanilang head coach, bago na rin, si Micah Nori. Tara i-breakdown na natin agad ito. Magsisimula tayo sa guards, then forwards, centers at potential starting five ng team. So itong mga guards, unahin na natin si Damian Lillard. Kinukonsidera ng legend sa Portland. 36 years old na, returning from Achilles tear. Maglalaro na nga ulit siya this season as a Trailblazer player. Itong si Dame kapag healthy, isang elite na scorer. One of the best 3-point shooters sa league. At syempre, nandyan pa rin ang kanyang clutch gene. Tinatawag na Dame Time. Siya ulit ang tatayong leader sa franchise na ito. Sa kanyang huling season, bago siya ma-injured, nag-average siya ng 25 points, 4 rebounds at 6 assists per game. Sumunod, Ja Morant. Ito nga ang biggest addition sa lineup ng Trailblazers this season. Kilala naman na natin itong si Morant, isang explosive athlete, highlight machine. Magaling na player ito pero may mga questions sa kanyang pag-fit sa team na to dahil maraming guards at may Damian Lillard pa. Last season, nag-average itong si Morant ng 19 points, 3 rebounds at 8 assists per game. Sumunod, Scoot Henderson. Isang young athletic point guard, mabilis, explosive, improving playmaker at maasahan rin ang kanyang depensa. Mataas ang potential nito na maging future franchise player ng team. Last season, nag-average ng 14 points, 3 rebounds at 3 assists per game. Sumunod, Jrue Holiday. Isang veteran two-way guard, elite perimeter defender, may championship experience, leadership at solid all-around game. Perfect glue guy para sa Trailblazers. Last season, nag-average itong si Holiday ng 16 points, 4 rebounds at 6 assists per game. Sumunod, Shaedon Sharpe, isa pang young gun, athletic scoring guard wing. Highlight machine nga rin ito dahil sa kanyang mga dunks. May potential din na maging superstar. As last season, nag-average ng 20 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Vit Krejci, isang versatile 6'8" guard forward. May shooting plus size na malaking tulong sa guard spot. Last season, nag-average ng 8 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Chris Youngblood. Pangalan pa lang nito alam mo ng young gun. Currently, developmental player pa lang ito o bench warmer. Last season, nag-average ito ng 2 points, 0.8 rebounds at 0.4 assists per game. Sumunod, John Tonhe. Isa pang developmental guard o bench warmer. Last season, nag-average ito ng 2 points, 1 rebound at 0.4 assists per game. So ayan ang mga guards. Dumako naman tayo sa mga forwards. Unahin na natin si Deni Avdija. Breakout star last season ng Trailblazers. Siya nga ang tumayong best player ng team. Versatile forward na kayang mag-score, mag-playmake, mag-rebound at mag-defend. Interesting kung paano siya mag-fit kay Ja Morant at kay Damian Lillard next season. As last season, nag-average naman itong si Deni ng 24 points, 6 rebounds at 6 assists per game. Sumunod, Toumani Camara. Isa namang high motor 3&D forward, elite defender, strong rebounder, maasahan ang kanyang mga hustle plays at energy. Reliable na rotational player ng Trailblazers as nag-average ito last season ng 13 points, 5 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Jeremy Sochan. Bagong addition sa team. Kaka-champion lang nito sa New York Knicks. So may momentum ito next season. Madala kaya niyang swerte dito sa Trailblazers. As last season, nag-average itong si Sochan ng 3 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, CD Sissoko. isang young athletic wing, may combination ng size and length. Energizer off the bench, maasahan rin ang kanyang depensa. Last season, nag-average ito ng 5 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Micah Potter, isa sa mga reliable bigs ng team. Last season, nag-average ito ng 9 points, 5 rebounds at 1 assist per game. So, at last, Jason Kent, isa namang backup wing. Last season, nag-average ng 2 points, 1 rebound at 0 assists per game. So ayan ang mga guards and forwards. Dumako naman tayo sa centers. Unahin na natin si Donovan Clingan, ang 7'2" young big, isang rim protector at rebounder. Mataas ang potensyal nitong bata na to, 22 years old pa lang pero solid ang ipinakita last season as nag-average siya ng 12 points, 12 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Robert Williams III, isang athletic rim runner at rim protector, lab threat. Malakas ang impact nito sa depensa at rebounding. As last season, nag-average naman ito ng 4 points, 4 rebounds at 0.7 assists per game. Sumunod, Young Hansen, isang young big man from China. Dinidevelop pa ito ng Trailblazers. Nag-average ito last season ng 2 points, 1 rebound at 0.5 assists per game. At last, Brandon Carlson, isa pang 7-footer ng team. Last season, nag-average naman ito ng 6 points, 3 rebounds at 0.7 assists per game. So dumako na tayo sa potential starting 5 ng team. Point guard Damian Lillard, shooting guard Ja Morant, small forward Denny Abia, power forward Toumani Camara, at center Donovan Clingan. Last year, itong Trailblazers ay pumasok ng playoffs. This year, tignan natin kung hanggang saan ang mararating nila. Interesting ang lineup na ito, medyo meron lang questions sa kanilang fit. Dahil magkapareho ng posisyon itong si Ja Morant at si Damian Lillard at napakarami nilang guards. So nakaka-curious makita itong Trailblazers next season. Ano masasabi niyo mga kabakets? For more NBA content, ilike nyo ng ating video at mag-subscribe na rin sa JB Buckets.